Good morning, beautiful souls. If you've ever woken up with a sense of unease, a racing mind, or a tightness in your chest, you're not alone. Morning anxiety is a common experience for many of us. It can be triggered by a variety of factors such as the stress of upcoming responsibilities, lingering worries from the previous day, or even an underlying feeling of being overwhelmed by what lies ahead. But there's good news. You have the power to transform your morning and set a positive tone for your day. One powerful way to combat morning anxiety is through affirmations. These are positive statements that can help reframe your thoughts, shift your mindset, and bring a sense of calm and focus. In this video, I'll be sharing 30 affirmations specifically designed to help you calm anxiety and start your day with peace and confidence. As you listen, allow these words to resonate with you. Repeat them out loud or silently in your mind, and let their positive energy fill your being. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin this journey towards a calmer, more centered you. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. I trust in my ability to handle whatever comes my way today. I breathe in calmness and breathe out tension. I am worthy of love, peace, and joy. I release all worries about the future and focus on the present moment. I am safe, I am secure, and all is well in my world. I choose to see the good in every situation. I am surrounded by love and support. I am strong, capable, and resilient. I trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I release all negative thoughts and welcome positivity. I am calm, centered, and grounded. I am deserving of inner peace. I am free from anxiety and stress. I have the power to create change in my life. I am in harmony with the universe. I am open to new possibilities and opportunities. I embrace the present moment with peace and gratitude. I am confident in my abilities and my potential. I choose to focus on what I can control and let go of what I cannot. I am worthy of happiness and fulfillment. I am enough just as I am. I trust myself and my decisions. I am patient with myself and others. I release the need to be perfect and embrace my imperfections. I am grateful for this new day and the opportunities it brings. I am capable of overcoming any challenge that comes my way. I am calm, I am centered, and I am in control. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.